Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. Corn chowder is easy to make, it's low cost, and kids will gobble it up with no complaints about unfamiliar ingredients. This is probably one of the easiest recipes in my collection. All you need to make corn chowder is a large, heavy saucepan, and the only things to cut are the bacon and the onions. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Bacon, onion, potato, corn, salt, white pepper, sugar, whole milk, heavy cream, unsalted butter, water. Now let's make it. In a large saucepan or Dutch oven, brown the bacon. Add onions, potatoes, and water, bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Add corn, heavy cream, and sugar, and simmer for an additional 10 minutes. Add butter, salt, white pepper, and milk. Heat and mix until butter is melted and milk is warm. Eat along with your favorite sandwich. I like to eat my chowder with oyster crackers or crushed saltines. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. For many more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.